Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about stop making these keyword negation mistakes on Amazon ads. Let's get into it. Many Amazon sellers make critical mistakes with keyword negations, which can severely impact their PPC performance. If you've ever negated keywords only to see your campaign performance drop, there's a good chance you've been using the wrong negation strategy. In this video, we're going to cover the most common keyword negation mistakes and how to fix them. One of the most common errors is negating good performing keywords. Many sellers believe that if they move a keyword from an auto campaign to an exact match campaign, they should negate it from the auto campaign. This is an outdated and harmful practice. If a keyword is performing well in an auto campaign, it should be left alone while also being duplicated into an exact match campaign. Negating it means shutting down a proven sales channel, which can harm overall campaign performance. Another mistake is failing to establish a structured approach to negations. Some sellers don't negate at all, leading to wasted ad spend, while others negate too aggressively, cutting off opportunities too soon. The best approach is to set clear parameters. For example, if a keyword has 20 clicks without a sale, it may be time to negate it. However, before negating, it's always a good idea to test bid adjustments. Lowering the bid by 5 to 10% every few days can sometimes turn an underperforming keyword into a profitable one. If performance does not improve after multiple bid reductions, then negating the keyword becomes a viable option. Another key issue is poor campaign segmentation. Many sellers add too many keywords to a single campaign, leading to keyword cannibalization. In most cases, only about 5 keywords in a campaign will receive 80–90% of the budget, leaving the rest underutilized. To maximize performance, campaigns should be structured in a way that gives each keyword a fair chance to perform. This means breaking keywords into separate campaigns or ad groups based on their intent and performance. Automation is another area where sellers often make mistakes. While PPC automation tools can be useful, over-relying on them can lead to inefficient strategies. Many automation tools create thousands of campaigns with extreme negation settings, which can make it difficult to manually optimize and adjust strategy. A balanced approach, where automation handles routine tasks and human oversight guides strategy, is the best way to achieve long-term success. Ultimately, keyword negation should be done strategically, ensuring that only non-performing and irrelevant keywords are removed, while still allowing room for potential high-converting keywords to remain active. With the right approach, campaigns can become more cost-effective and generate better returns over time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Amazon advertising tips and strategies. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.